Get a day start. Sir, this is a very small amendment of the Cinematograph Act of 1998 as amended in 2000. The reason for this amendment is that today film censorship, which is a state subject, permits the passing or banning films without taking into consideration whether a particular film is good enough for universal exhibition or fit only for adults or fit for children only. No such discrimination can be made by the film censors today. Therefore, it was found necessary that, in order to discriminate between films which may be suitable for adults but may not be suitable for children or adolescents, some legislation of this kind should be passed. This matter was then examined and state governments were consulted. The state governments, though that this provision was necessary, but that if they were to pass this kind of legislation, there would be different provisions in different states and certain anomalies would arise. Honorable members know that film censorship, though a state subject, is sought to be made a union subject, and at the last meeting of the Constituent Assembly, an amendment was moved to the Government of India Act by which this Parliament is now authorized to pass legislation of this kind, but that may come later, even before that, as it is in order that some discrimination may be made between films which are suitable for adults and not suitable for children and adolescents. This amendment is considered necessary, and in order that it may be uniform in all the states, this bill has been moved in this parliament. It is needless for me to emphasize the necessity for such a bill. What now happens is that when a film comes before a film censor, if there are even very small portions which are not very suitable for being seen by children and adolescents, then the whole film is banned. Thus, an otherwise artistic and good film has to go by the board. There is no discrimination which can be exercised today under the present law. That is the main reason why this amendment is being moved here, empowering the state censors and censor boards to go into the matter and see if a particular film is suitable for the whole population or only for adults. I may explain that this film industry is growing in importance and there are different aspects to it. The scope of this particular bill is very restricted and there is no intention of expanding that scope so far as this amendment is concerned. But since the whole film industry is an important one, And as I see from the number of amendments tabled that honorable members are also taking a keen interest in the matter, I am alive to the situation and a thorough inquiry is going to be made into the film industry from all points of view. It is then that this house may go into the different aspects of the question as regards the length of time that a film should be shown, the length of the film, and a number of other considerations which may come in. As I glance at the amendments tabled here, I see that a number of amendments are of that nature. It is natural that these amendments are placed before the House, but I beg to submit that since the object of this particular amendment is very restricted and one pointed, it is better that we concentrate upon this one single aspect, postponing the consideration of other aspects to the occasion when a more comprehensive bill is to be introduced in this House. We shall have ample opportunity at that time to go into the whole matter when the inquiry committee makes its own recommendations on different aspects and a suitable bill is framed in terms of those recommendations. Therefore, I should like to request honorable members to see that we restrict ourselves to consider this one single important aspect and leave the matter there. Now, the main considerations which weigh with us at the time we see a film are these. Some people would say that if it is a bad and unsuitable film, we should completely ban it. Why make a discrimination between a film which is suitable for adults only and not suitable for children and adolescents? But as we look at the film that are coming up, and also as we look at the law that exists in some of the foreign countries, we see that a discrimination is made. In fact, in a number of other things also, we make this discrimination between children and adolescents on the one side and adults on the other. In clubs or in dance halls or some such other places, membership is restricted only to adults. So it is on the same principle, but for a greater number of considerations that this amendment has been introduced here. For instance, among films there are what are called horrific films where bloody scenes of murder or sudden catastrophes take place.